Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for mathematics with the teacher Spindo Pangoma. Okay, let's look at this first question. It's from 2025, paper 2, question 4b. It says, evaluate the integral of negative from negative 3 to 1, 6x squared minus 5x plus 2 dx. So, if what do we do now to evaluate it? Let's write the solution. So the first thing we do, we find the antiderivative. So the antiderivative, how do we find the antiderivative of 1 is 6x squared minus 5x plus 2 dx. So in short, what we are going to do, we're going to multiply this x by every number here. After multiplying, then the power that we are going to get, we put it under, or we divide by the power. Each number we divide by the power. So for instance here, this is x, this is 6x. So 6x, when you divide by, when you multiply by x, it will be 6x to the power 3. So 6x to the power 3, because when you multiply, we just add to the power here plus, so it will be 6x to the power 3. So now this power, we're also going to divide by the same power. This 3, divide. Yebo. So we go 5, then we multiply x by x, it will be x to the power 2. So we also need to divide by 2 here. Then plus 2 times x to be 2x. This x is to the power 1. So every number that we divide by 1 is just the number itself. So let's not waste time, guy. All right. So from here, what do we do? This 3 can go into 6 by how many times? 2 times. So it will be 2x to the power 3 minus this one. This 2 here, it have a remainder. So we just write it the way it is. 2x squared plus 2x. So this here, this is what we call the antiderivative of our equation now. So now let's go to the main issue now. So we want to now evaluate. From negative 3 to 1. So we'll start at x equals 1. So at x equals 1, what is this equation? So we're going to, where there's x, we'll replace it by 1. So here we'll start, say this is 2. Here there's x, you put 1 to the power 3 minus 5, 2. Where there's x, put 1 to the power 2 plus 2. Where there's x, 1. So this one, this is here what we will do. Any number multiplied by 1 is just 1. So 1 to the power 3 is just 1. So this one, 2 by 1 to be 2 minus 5 over 2. This one, 1 to the power 2 is 1. 1 times negative 5 is negative 5 over 2. Then here 2 times 1 is 2. So from here, in Yabafana guy, this is for grade 9. You multiply, you do it. So the answer is 3 over 2. Yeah, I won't say much on this one. These are for kids. Okay, so let's go now. So this one, at x equals 1, this equation here, it becomes 3 over 2. So now say at x equals negative 3. So at x equals negative 3, what is our equation? So we just do 2 the way we did here. So we put negative 3 power 3 plus is minus, okay, minus 5 over 2. This is negative 3 power 2 plus 2. This is negative 3. All right, okay. Then from there, here, okay, this is paper 2, so you can just use your calculator. Punching a this one will give you negative 27 times 2, you get negative 54. Then here, what are we going to do? This one, when you multiply it, this negative 3 squared, it will be 9. 9 times 5, it will be negative 45 over 2. Then this one, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So when you do your mathematics, what you're going to find is negative 165 over 2. So you find that this here is at negative 3, at x equals negative 3. This one is at x equals 1. So we found these 2 points. So now, therefore, we want to find now the final. This one, guy, that with my dot. This is therefore in mathematics. This is therefore mtayembuti my drum set. This is not pangoma. This is mathematics. Therefore, So now, therefore, we are going to write the equation to say, therefore, the integral of negative 3. Well, guys, this is integral from negative 3 to 1 of 6x squared minus 5x plus 2 dx equals, you start by bringing this the upper limit here. The answer that you got for the upper limit, this is the upper limit, this is the lower limit, guy. Tunamwa inkise. All right, so you get the answer that you got for this one, where x was 1. So this is what you put first, 3 over 2 minus, guy, minus, yes, 3 over 2 minus, then you say, you get also the answer for the lower limit here, which is negative 165 over 2. So negative 165 over 2, guy. From here, negative 165 over 2 here. So from here, this one you bring it 3 over 2. Then this can negative times negative, positive 165 over 2. Then what do you get here? The common denominator is what? Is 2. You put 2 here, 1. So in short, since it's just the one common denominator, so just write it, then add this, the top. Don't even waste your time. So 3 plus 165, 168. So 2 into 168, guy, if you don't have a calculator, what do? You just do this, This 2, you divide it into 16. 2 into 16, how many? Times 8. Okay? Then 2 into 8, how many times? 4. This is your answer. Viego or kwenyu 3 marks. Thank you very much. See you.